going on, guys? It's Karim RS. I've got my main man Ibby with me today. I finally got him. I'm convinced him to get onto the videos. He's a little bit shy, but he's coming forward, guys. Watch out for him. So basically, we've got MR2 Turbo. It's been patched up at RS Customs for nearly 15 years. It's totally trashed, this car, guys. I'm confident we can get it done, but I'm not sure. Ibby's thinking something different.
Nah, it's not gonna happen.
Nah, of course it's gonna happen. Of course it's gonna happen. Right, okay, let's have a bet.
Nah,
I'll have a bet with you. If I win,
I ain't gonna touch it, Karim. Let's see what you can do with it.
listen, I guarantee you in 2 weeks I'll have this car done.
We'll see.
Trust me. Trust me. It's gonna get done. No, I know it's been parked up for 15 years. I've neglected it. I can get that car valued at about 10 grand.
It
Guaranteed.
looks like it's been burnt down, Karim.
Oh, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, isn't it, guys? We've got to try our best, see what happens. I'm confident it'll happen. He's not confident, but I know it's gonna happen. We're gonna make it happen.
Let's see.
Mina saying no, we can get this. We're gonna get this one done. Trust me. Yeah? What you saying? Saying you ready? Yes. Yes. Mina saying they're confident. Have some confidence, man.
I would never sell
Bring
my
it,
only
man,
soul.
bring it.
Heard your whole team wants to sell. Heard this on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh, now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out there, spend the day, now you're on loose. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody.
This is a 1990 Toyota MR2 T-Bar Turbo, fitted with a full veil-side body kit, parked up in the RS Customs branch in Bradford. It was neglected and not even worth £200. After we fix it up, it should be worth at least 10,000. Okay guys, quick update on the MR2. Restoration week done. Next week is wrap week. A lot of blood, sweat and tears have gone into this car, guys. We have spent, oh god, in total probably over 100 man hours onto this. Working late at night, hard shifts. A lot of respect to the guys that have come and helped us on this car. Ibby, get ready for the shock of your life. And we're wrapping it. We're ahead of schedule.
Okay, Ryder,
Sweetheart, you've got 10 minutes.
I'm coming down.
See you in a bit.
Check it out.
Right, sweetheart? Are you ready?
Ready for this?
2 weeks! 2 weeks hard work this was, guys. I've got a point to prove. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Dushan, drop it!
good here.
Bit of magic, Ibby, bit of magic. Lot of hard work, Ibby. I told you, I'll prove you wrong.
Oh my God, Karim, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Told you, bro. Check it out. Look at the interior. Done the whole thing. Full wrap, new roof, new seats, full new dashboard.
I can't believe what you did to this Karim. This car was absolutely battered.
And I banged it out in 2 weeks. I told you I could do it. I've done it. Karim's the man. When Ibby started working for me 15 years ago, he saw this like this. And then he saw it slowly going downhill, back to the side street, and it was jumped on by kids. It was smashed, the roof was caved in. Honestly guys, this car was absolutely trashed. And that's all I can say about it. But I tell you something, it's been some hard graft on this. And thanks to a lot of people, you know who you are. I love you guys, thank you for everything that you've done for me. It means a lot. I'm saying, we did the job, we did it right. Respect to that, my brother. Boom! Check it out. Let's go for the spin.
A shadowy flight into a dangerous world. A man who does not exist.
What do you think?
Piece of cake.
Karim, where the bloody hell are you? God damn you!
I'm at work, Edward.
Yeah, I've been trying to call you all day, man. What the heck?
Well, I've been a little bit busy, haven't I?
You bit my pig.
Never mind that. I need my windows to be tinted straight away, please.
No problem, Edward. What do you want doing?
You idiot!
I've got these haramzadeh that are trying to break into my car every day. I'm fed up with this.
Yeah, I've got a security film. That prevents people from breaking into your car, buddy.
Excellent. You come down straight away, yard. I need this doing straight away. Don't delay. Make sure you come today.
I could come down if you want. Shall I set off?
Get your ass up, boy! You've got security film on it.
Thank you, Karim. I love you. You are a very good man. Sorry for shouting, but I am very frustrated with all these people trying to break into my bloody car.
I'm getting mad, man. You understand? Mad!
Yeah, well, I can understand that.
That car will be mine.
Okay guys, thank you for watching a video. Hope you enjoyed it. Get ready for the next video. It's coming out really soon. Don't forget to comment below, hit the like button, and also subscribe to our channel. If you want anything different in the videos, let us know. If you've got any good ideas. Take it easy. See you in the next video, guys.